The one, the only.
What's going on in there? Tell me what Elmo did before. Why does he fall down for Elmo all the time?
He's falling down.
Why does he fall?
Because he's bad. I just stinky. I think my shower with me.
What's he, drunk?
Yep. Then he's stinky.
Oh.
Then he's not stinky. And then you're stinky again. And then I got shower again. Then he's stinky again. Then we got shower again. Then I got shower again. And he got shower again. That's fun.
Look at him.
He's drunk.
What's wrong with him? Yell at him. Yell at him. Tell him to stay still.
Stay still. Ready? I go walk. Then I will go walk then.
I would choke him.
Yeah. Just me. I will choke him too.
Choke him then. Choke him. Go ahead. Choke him. He don't listen.
Maybe he do listen. He was at his house, but he do listen at my house. But he was at my house.
Okay.
But he was at my house. Then I got nervous. Then I got nervous.
Mm-hmm.
Then I got nervous from his crying. Then, okay, that's it. I don't go about you. Then you gotta find that.
Oh.
But he keep crying. I put him back in a back chair.
You put him in the bed chair?
Yep. Then he felt bad again. It felt nervous about me. So, Mommy, I'm sick.
Okay.
What?
Okay. Well, you have a nice house there.
Okay, bye.
Bye.